Okie dokie artichoke. I'm going to do a workout with some tinned goods because I feel like, at least in Australia, everyone went and hoarded toilet paper and canned goods. And then I was like, what else could I use these for? So a workout it is. They're what, like 420 grams each, like 500 grams each. I'm pretty sure in America it's about the same. And so they're like the perfect weight for little kind of exercise movements. So that's what we're going to be doing. Ooh, alrighty. You know what? I'm going to need a timer. Let's go 10 minutes. So we're just going to wing it. I'm literally just going to wing it. We're going to go with the flow. Alrighty. I'll turn this up. And away we go. Okay. Whew. All right. So first exercise, I want you to engage the core, and we're going to do little pulses with the arms outwards. Maybe little circles. We'll do 20 exercises, 30 seconds each. Just trying to build up a little bit of heat in the body and keep you moving whilst you're either in quarantine or just social isolation. 10, 9, 6, 5, I'm terrible at counting, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back the other way. Woo. These tiny little movements, they're the ones that get you. Keep engaging through the core. Oh yeah, starting to feel it now. Gee! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. And let's go squats. This feels so funny. You have to laugh about it though. It's one of those things that if you don't laugh, you'll probably just cry. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Touchdowns. 4. Oh, I can feel this one. 10, 8. Woo! Let's get down and do some abs. Find your way into your back. Russian twist with the cans. These are our little weights. Hands go from one side to the other. Feet stay lifted. Spine's lengthening, and the heart is opening up towards the sky. Low back, high back. Low back, high back. It's going to be a good little workout. Have you ever seen someone do a workout with cans before? I don't think I have. Hands down, little kicks. This one reminds me of I'm Your Venus. The song, I'm your Venus. I'm your fire, your desire. Pretty sure there was an ad like that in Australia when I was little. Alright, next up let's do some crunches. Taking the cans from the mid-thigh up to the knee. Opposite elbow to knee. I feel like a canned head. What's this called? Let's give me my horns. Or my headphones. Oh, I wish I could see myself right now. Let's go for slow crossing over. So opposite elbow to opposite knee. Yoga bicycles. Keeping the lower back on the ground. And then coming back to center, nice and controlled. So it's not about going fast here. It's about finishing every movement. Crunch. Woo. You are welcome. Let's roll up. Oh no, my microphone. And roll back down. And roll up to chair. And roll back down. To chair. All the way back. This is extra complicated with the microphone. All the way up. All the way down. This is kind of fun. Woo. All right, let's punch it out. I can't with the microphone. I'm gonna do it anyway. 10, 9, 8. We got a lot more than 8 seconds left. 7, 6, 5. Shake your hips a little bit, have some fun with it. 4, 3, 10, 9, 8. I'm so bad at counting, I'm so sorry. I should stick to yoga, but this is kind of fun. Okay, roll back down onto the back, and let's go for some levers up. Legs up, legs extend. Legs up, legs extend. Whew. I love ab workouts. Okay, let's go for some mountain climbers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jump forward, jump back. Jump forward, jump back. Jump forward, jump back. Jump forward, jump back. Woo! Ooh. People going past in the cars are probably like, what is this chick doing? And my response is, I don't even know. Knees lift. Use the cans on your knees, why not? Little crunches. Ah! The smaller the better, because then the cans don't roll off. Let's jump all the way back up, and let's move through some side ones. From one side to the other, knees stay bent the whole time. This is such a little like impromptu workout. I didn't even plan anything, I'm so sorry. My microphone fell off, and yet you guys are still here. Well done if that's you. Whew, and I really need to strap this back on somehow. Oh well. All right, let's go touchdowns. Like you've just got to try. Woohoo! And then we're going to go one more after this. Whew. Let's go for reverse lower downs. Take the left leg behind the right, squat. Right behind the left, squat. 20. Whew. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is how you get a little bit breathless in 10 minutes with your leftover canned goods. So now we can go and use these and whip up something in the kitchen. Whew. Oh, my legs hurt. Oh, well done, guys. You'll need a round of applause, pat in the back. Self high five.